Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will dive deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of February, 2025, our system has classified Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.17. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 12.54% since we initially recommended purchasing Intel 4 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.14% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This often presents a strong selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $24.08 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could potentially signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible decline of approximately 11.82% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from a decrease of 36.21% to a drop of 10.4%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of about 54.79% over the next year, with a possible return between a decline of 84.11% and a drop of 61.93%. This translates to a price range between $3.75 and $8.98 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, High Volatility in Intel Stock Price on Friday, which ended trading at $23.60. The Intel stock price experienced a decline of 2.2% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, dropping from $24.13 to $23.60. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 10.19%, ranging from a low of $22.86 to a high of $25.19. The price has shown significant movement during this period, with a 21.46% gain over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is typically seen as a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 14 million shares, resulting in a total of 228 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $5.39 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $46.63, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 49.39%, or $23.03, below the 52-week high, and 65.94%, or $45.69, below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. This week, Intel's stock performance has shown impressive upward momentum, with shares increasing by approximately 8%, marking the most significant gain in 2 decades. This positive trend has been supported by multiple factors. Notably, reports suggest that Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company may be considering the management of Intel's U.S. factories, potentially indicating a strategic partnership that could enhance the manufacturing capabilities of both companies. Additionally, the renewed focus of the Trump administration on strengthening American chip production has further energized investors. This emphasis on domestic manufacturing aligns with the U.S. CHIPS Act, which aims to foster growth in the semiconductor sector, a crucial area for technological advancement and national security. Despite the optimism surrounding these developments, analysts are advising caution regarding aggressive investments in Intel at this time. A notable perspective from Bernstein has suggested that the stock is not a buy right now, urging investors to remain prudent. In the short term, the potential involvement of TSMC combined with political support may provide a solid foundation for further stock appreciation. However, the long-term outlook will depend on how successfully these strategies are executed and Intel's ability to innovate in a highly competitive market. These dynamics will be essential for assessing Intel's viability and performance as we move forward. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned Intel a hold grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Intel a market perform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Intel a sell grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Intel an equal weight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Intel a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Intel's stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. There is also a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average sitting above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at $21.35 and $20.37. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MAD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 2.2%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Trading volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has generated a buy signal from 3 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average presented a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages emitted a buy signal 40 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $22.48. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and due to a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.33 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 10.19%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 8.29%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns due to factors outside their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 1 cent. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $23.93. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $22.48. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by David Zinsner, who bought and sold 121,955 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 2.210. In total, insiders purchased 335,826 shares and sold 356,697 shares in the last 100 trades. Our suggested stop loss is established at $22.56, reflecting a decline of 4.41%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive indicators. However, these do not currently meet our criteria for a buy recommendation. At this time, it would be more prudent to consider it a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain or gradually increase their positions while monitoring for further developments. Upon reviewing the stock's volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, the 18th of February, we anticipate that Intel will open with an increase of 283 thousandths of a dollar, beginning trading at $23.88. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.